Ever pondered the secret to crafting the perfect stuffed mushrooms? Well, the answer lies not in some secret ingredient, but in the method itself. Today, we're diving headfirst into a world of culinary delights and exploring how to create this mouth-watering appetizer. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need around 20 medium-sized white mushrooms, a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, and a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, you'll want to clean your mushrooms. A damp paper towel does the job perfectly, removing any dirt or debris. Once they're clean, remove the stems. But don't throw them away because you'll need them later. While your mushrooms are stemless and waiting, it's time to prepare the stuffing. Take those mushroom stems you saved and mince them. Combine the minced stems with your breadcrumbs, cheese, garlic, and parsley in a bowl. Drizzle the olive oil over the mixture, stirring until everything is well combined. Now comes the fun part, stuffing the mushrooms. Take a spoonful of your mixture and gently stuff it into each mushroom cap. Once all the mushrooms are stuffed, place them on a baking sheet. Slide the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until the tops are golden brown and the mushrooms are tender. So to summarize, clean and destem your mushrooms. Prepare your stuffing by combining minced stems, breadcrumbs, cheese, garlic, and parsley. Drizzle olive oil over the mixture, stir, then stuff the mixture into each mushroom cap. Bake until golden brown and voila! You've just made the perfect stuffed mushrooms. This recipe is a testament to the magic that happens when simple ingredients come together in the right way. It's all about the process, the attention to detail, and the love you pour into each step. Remember, cooking isn't just about feeding yourself or others. It's an art, a form of expression, and a way to connect with the world around you. And with this stuffed mushroom recipe, you're not just creating a dish, you're crafting an experience. So go forth, grab your ingredients, and start creating. Because the world is your kitchen and the perfect stuffed mushrooms are just a recipe away.